Welcome to my first video on making mini art journals. These mini art journals make beautiful gifts and are very simple to make. This was the first mini art journal that I've made, and I'm just flipping through and you can see lovely watercolor images, Gelli Plate printed images, words that were printed out on the computer, words from magazines, pictures printed out on baking paper, and music sheet paper torn, and cutouts, and lots of other little things that help to make this journal so beautiful. This next little journal was my second journal, and it has the same types of things used to make it look so beautiful. I'm really hoping this will inspire you to wanting to make your own. You can see here I also have some little blank jelly prints that I folded ready to make these lovely little mini journals with. So please join me in the next video where we will get out the Gelli plate and print off some A4 size paper into lovely backgrounds ready to fold into our mini art journals. Thank you for joining me now. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.